Hi, this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, and we have our son Greg in here with us this evening. He just got out of his college classrooms. He's getting his master's degree in finance. And for all you Wall Street people watching, be looking for him because he's an up-and-comer. And he gets adjusted regularly. He just don't let us do YouTube videos on him regularly. So we finally roped him into doing one because he did an interview for the documentary this week. And he's been getting adjusted since he was 45 minutes old. And you've been pretty healthy all your life, haven't you?
I'd like to think so.
Yeah? What do you mean think so? You know so. All right, let's show him how we keep you straightened out. Let's have you flex your head forward and backwards. See, most parents only get to straighten their kids out by grounding them and stuff. I actually get to straighten mine out by actually physically adjusting them. A little bit of right head tilt. You doing a lot of homework?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Good answer. Okay. Well, we'll have to dedicate this one to Brittany. This ring dinger's for you, Brittany. Okay, let me get a towel here. I'm gonna have to adjust it with the dry towel. Renee's already picked up all my wet ones.
Perfect.
Only
the best.
You got a brand new dry one. There you go.
I'll have to take blame for that one.
There you go. So you feel that all the way down?
Always.
All right, home run. Still kicking too. Greg's tired of my lines. He's been hearing them all his life. There you go. Boy, that was perfect today. Look at you, cooperative today and everything.
Always. Don't let him lie to you. Always.
I don't lie. You are pretty much always cooperative. Except for when it comes to getting your picture taken or doing a video on you.
That's the truth.
Yep. See, I don't lie. Let's come over here on this knee chest table. We had several chiropractors here in the office today from around the state of Texas, so I got adjusted. One more. There it is. Okay. Right leg's just a little bit shorter than your left leg. Been sitting on that wall. Nope, you took that out, didn't you?
Had a wallet in since you told me not to.
Oh, good.
This is Mike Sager, your Houston Chiropractors documentarian.
Yep.
And we're going to check out for the evening, but we're going to be back early tomorrow to have the doctor introduce us around the office and show us the various workings before all the patients get here.
Mike Sager is with the Sager Group LLC out of San Diego, California, and he's a top-notch writer. He's a well-known author and now documentarian too. You have a film company now in your Mill Films, right?
SagerGroup.net. Please come check us out.
Yep, and he's a producer and director on our documentary. He's doing a great
Thank
job.
you, sir. We'll see you in the morning. I'm going to get my crew. I got to feed them.
Okay.
Good to see you. Let me just do a... I'm learning here. I'm learning. Is this right, like this?
Everybody tries to play your Houston chiropractor, you know?
We can't. All right, let me just check the feed.
Have a good evening, Mike. I had Tristan on here before. He weighs a little bit more than me. Boy, you definitely needed this today. Okay. There. That's all. There. Super. Okay, let's turn you on your back now. Well, your Palmer diversified rotary brakes went great today, didn't they?
They always do.
Yeah, but that was especially smooth today. I think I caught you thinking about something else. It's Charles. I like that a big smile goes across his face. What was you thinking about? Don't answer that.
I heard him whisper his finals, but
Yeah. Thank you.
Finals.
Appreciate that.
There you go.
Can't get out of here without you pulling my leg.
There you go. Okay, let's sit you up here and face that way now. We went to Southern Illinois recently for my dad's funeral, and we were in the airport in Dallas and in Evansville, Indiana, and people would come up to me and go, "You're that Houston chiropractor."
Yeah, you really did.
Kind of blows me away.
He never gets tired of it. It's pretty cool though.
It is. They even recognize you and Renee.
I had a few people when I was working in South Texas for the restaurants recognize me from the videos.
Yep. Brooke Adams said that she gets people coming up to her all the time. She's been on television shows and Amazing Race and professional wrestling, and she gets people coming up to her all the time. When you gonna do another chiropractic video? Look, you head forward and backwards again. By the way, we'll be uploading Brooke Adams again. She came in today, protecting her greatest asset, her health. You know what Brooke's greatest asset is, don't you, Greg? Okay. Let's have you flex your head forward and backwards. Most everyone that's ever seen Brooke knows her greatest asset. Look at that. You're right down the middle there, son.
Well, thank you there, Dad.
Yeah, I love you. This is your Houston chiropractor and Greg Johnson coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas. We'll see y'all soon.